Hello and welcome to this video in which we shall discuss the quadratic formula. So the quadratic formula is a technique that is used to find the value of x that satisfies a quadratic equation. And for a quadratic equation of the form ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, the quadratic formula is given as x equals minus b plus minus root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So the first thing we need to do here is make sure that this is rewritten in standard form, which is 2x squared minus 13x plus 4x plus 3 equals 0, and then simplified into 2x squared minus 9x plus 3 equals 0. So this looks like ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. And now we have to just compare the coefficients. So the a equals to 2, the b equals to negative 9, and the c equals to 3. Now we plug these letters into the quadratic formula. So we get x equals minus b plus minus root b squared minus 4ac, so 2, 3. And all of this is divided by 2a, so 2 times 2. So x equals 9 plus minus root negative 9 squared is 81. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 3 is 24. So 81 minus 24 all over 4. Now 81 minus 24 gives us 57. So 9 plus minus root 57 over 4. This is the final answer. So 9, I'm just going to write over 4 here, and then I'll fix the numerator. So plus minus root of 57 over 4. Let's try another example. So again, the first thing we do is we convert this into standard form. We take the negative 4 over here, so we get 3q power 2 plus q minus 11 plus 4 equals 0. So 3q power 2 plus q minus 7 equals to 0. Now a equals 3, b equals 1, it's as if we have 1 here, and c equals negative 7. So the quadratic formula is written as x equals minus b, so minus 1, plus minus root b squared minus 4ac, so a is 3, and c is negative 7, all over 2a. I'll just write it very quickly so that you understand what we did. So minus b plus minus root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And we're just plugging the values of a and b and c into this formula. Now we simplify. So we have x equals minus 1 plus minus root. 1 squared is just 1. And then here we have 2 negative signs. So we get a plus. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 7 is 84. All over 6. So the final answer is minus 1 plus minus. Excuse me, this negative sign should be next to the 1 up there. So minus 1 plus minus root of 85. 84 plus 1 is 85. All over 6. Let's try a third example. So we take the -1 to the other side and get 2w squared minus 5w minus 8 equals 0. Quadratic formula is x equals minus b plus minus root b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. So this is minus, b is -5, right? And then plus minus root of b squared, which is -5 squared, minus 4ac, so minus 4 times 2 times -8, all over 2 times a, which is 2. Bear in mind that the a and the b and the c are these numbers here. So a is 2, b is -5, and c is -8. And these were substituted into the quadratic formula. The final step is to simplify. So here we have two negatives, so they cancel out. So x equals 5 plus minus root of -5 power 2. So this is 25. Here we have two negative signs. So we have plus 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 8 is 64. All divided by 2 times 2, which is 4. Now 25 plus 64 is 89. So the final answer is 5 plus minus root 89 over 4. And this brings us to the end of our video. I hope this has been beneficial. Thank you for watching.